Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIABS Home School. I am Ashish Bishwash, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 7. Our today's topic is example 1. Example 1 is on page number 167. I repeat, example 1 is on page number 167. My dear student, today is our lesson number 23 of annual term and today's SW number will be 22. My dear student, example 1 will be solved in our class and it is your SW also. So you must do it SW, must do it as SW. So my dear student, let us solve our class. At first we read the question. Example 1. If the bisector of the vertical angle of a triangle is perpendicular to the base, prove that it is an isosceles triangle. Before starting to solve this math, at first we know two words, which is one is bisector and another is isosceles triangle. What is bisector? Suppose this is a triangle and if we bisect it, that means this name is A, B and C. The angle name is ABC and BD is the bisector. BD bisector, that means it divides the angle into two equal parts. This one and this. Suppose if this is 15-degree angle, this will be also 50-degree angle. So BD is bisector here. Do you understand? I repeat, a line which divides the angle into two equal parts, then that line is called bisector. Okay, I hope you have understood. Okay, next we shall learn what is isosceles triangle. Okay, isosceles triangle means a triangle who has two equal sides. That means this is a triangle and its name is A, B and C. If this side is 5, this side is 5 and this side 6. Notice 5, 5, 6. Its two sides are equal. So we can say AB equal to AC and this type of triangle is called isosceles triangle. Now we understood the question. Here, if the bisector of the vertical angle of a triangle is perpendicular to the base, prove that it is an isosceles triangle. So first of all, we draw an isosceles triangle. Notice A, B and C. This is vertical angle. This is vertical angle and the name of the angle is angle A. And bisector, that means it is the bisector. It is the bisector and name of the bisector is AD. So AD bisector bisect angle into two equal parts. One is BAD and another is CAD. So the question, the bisector of the vertical angle of a triangle is perpendicular to the base. That means this AD line is perpendicular of the line BC. Here BC is called base. So we can say AD is perpendicular to BC. If this happen, then we can say AB equal to AC. Just like that, we called ABC is a isosceles triangle. I hope you have understood. I hope you have understood. I repeat this again. ABC is a triangle and AD is the bisector. This bisector bisect BAC into two equal angles, which are BAD and CAD. And this AD is this AD is the perpendicular at the point D of side BC and BC is called base. And if it is happen, then we can say this triangle is isosceles triangle. Okay, now we shall start to prove this. So first of all, we draw this figure. My dear student, you must draw this by using geometry box. So first of all, I take a fixed length, then I divide into two equal parts. After that, I take a point here. Okay, take a point here. Okay, now I add these 2 points. Now I name the triangle ABC. Now we add this AD, and this is the bisector. This is the bisector, and then name of the bisector is AD. So my dear students, particular enunciation is in the figure AD, the bisector AD is bisector AD of the triangle BAC. BAC is perpendicular at the point D of the side BC of triangle ABC. Then we need to prove that AB equal to AC. If AB equal to AC, then we can easily say that this triangle is isosceles triangle. So now we write the bisector AD of the angle A is perpendicular at the point D1 BC base of the triangle ABC. I hope you have understood. The bisector AD of the angle BAC is perpendicular at the point D of the base BC of the triangle ABC. So it is required to prove that it is required to prove that AB equal to AC. If we can prove AB equal to AC, then we can take a decision that ABC is a isosceles triangle. So particular enunciation is done. Next we shall do proof in this section, proof. So my dear student, notice here, can we say angle BAD equal to angle CAD? Yes, we can. Why? Because AD is the bisector, and this bisector bisect the angle A into two equal parts. That means we can say BAD equal to CAD. So now write in triangle ABD and triangle ACD. Notice in triangle ABD and triangle ACD, angle BAD equal to angle CAD. Right? Angle BAD equal to angle CAD. Please give here side note, as AD is bisector of angle A. I hope you have understood. Again you notice, as AD is perpendicular to BC, so we can say ADB angle and ADC angle are equal. Now we can write angle ADB equal to angle ADC, and give here side note, AD is perpendicular on BC. I hope you have understood. Angle ADB equal to angle ADC. Now notice in two triangle ABD and ACD, in this two triangle, this AD side is common. That means in ABD triangle AD is present, and in ACD triangle AD is present. So we can say and AD equal to AD. Why? Give here side note, AD is common side. Now you notice angle equal and side equal. So it is called ASA theorem. That means from this theorem we can take a decision that this ABD triangle and ACD triangle are congruent. So now write, therefore triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD. I hope you have understood. As these two triangles are congruent, so the two sides, that means this AB side and this AC side are equal. So write, therefore AB equal to AC. So AB equal to AC. As AB equal to AC, so we can easily say triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. You can write here proved, or you can write, so ABC is an isosceles, but I write here proved. As your textbook write here proved. I hope you have understood, my dear students. I repeat this theorem again. The bisector AD of the triangle ABC bisect the angle A, okay, and this bisector AD is perpendicular at the point D of BC. It is required to prove that AB equal to AC. As AB equal to AC, so we can say that it is an isosceles triangle. Next, from this triangle, that means triangle ABD and ACD, angle BAD equal to angle CAD. Why? Because AD is the bisector. And angle ADB equal to angle ADC. Why? Because AD is perpendicular to BC. And AD equal to AD because AD is common side. As angle and side are equal, so we can take a decision that these two triangles are congruent. That means triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD. As these two triangles are congruent, so its opposite sides are also equal. That means AB equal to AC, and this is proved. I hope you have understood. And to this CW will be your SW. My dear students, I repeat, example 1 your SW also, it is SW number 22. If you have any question or if you don't understand in any section, you can make a phone call to me. My dear students, you must do your assign SW in your SW copy and submit it regularly by your guardians. Your guardians can submit your SW in our school library within 8 AM to 4 PM in every Sunday. Okay, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.